Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a revision assistant assignment to your Schoology course and how to set up the prompt in Revision Assistant. So here I have my course, and I'm going to choose lesson 1-1 is where I want to add my prompt, my Revision Assistant assignment. And I click on Add Materials and then navigate to the Savvas Realize Course Connection app. This will launch Savvas Realize Discover tool. And in your list here of programs, you should see Revision Assistant. If you don't see it, click on your name and click on My Programs, and then you can subscribe to Revision Assistant. All right, so again, go back to the Revision Assistant program in your list here. And what we're going to do is we're going to import this one called Launch Revision Assistant. You can confirm that you got the right one, Launch Revision Assistant, and then click Import to bring it into your Schoology course. All right, so now you've added it to Schoology. But the thing is, you need to now set this up in Revision Assistant. But there's a few interim steps you need to take. Because if I open this as a teacher right now, I'm actually going to get an error message. It doesn't think that the assignment has been assigned. Well, what I need to do is I need to do two things. One is the assignment doesn't get created in Savvas Realize until the first student opens the assignment. So we have to do that, number one. And then two, I'm going to have to launch this in, I have to open this in Savvas Realize to actually get into Revision Assistant. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing we need to do is just open this item up as a student. So I can go to Course Options, click on View Course As, and choose any student, doesn't matter who. All right, so now I'm logged in as Maureen, who's my student, and I'll click on Launch Revision Assistant. So what's happening behind the scenes here is Maureen is the very first student to ever open up this assignment within Schoology. So what's happening in the back end is Savvas Realize is creating and adding the assignment into my class in Savvas Realize. So that's all I have to do, just open it, don't do anything else, then go back to the course as the teacher. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the assignment again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to now launch into Savvas Realize. So I'm going to click on the Launch Savvas Realize button here. And I now see that assignment has been created by Maureen. And I can click on the assignment here and scroll down and hit Preview. Click on the Launch Revision Assistant item. And what that's going to do now is it's going to open, I'm going to be able to now launch into Revision Assistant. All right, so now I'm in Revision Assistant. And if I go to this previous window, it's letting me know I need to choose my prompt. And in this window here, this is where I can find the appropriate prompt that I want to give to my students for this assignment. So in this case, I'm just going to choose American Singing. And Revision Assistant lets me preview what that prompt looks like. And I can review it. And if I'm happy with it, I can hit Select Prompt for my assignment. And I can tell it to create the assignment. And it tells me I've now successfully created the assignment. And if I view it, I can see that American Singing is the prompt, which is the one I selected. And I will eventually be able to see the student's progress and the student work as my students are launched into Revision Assistant for this particular assignment. Once they open the assignment for the first time, that's when they'll be added to this list here. All right, so I'm all done setting it up for my students now. So if I close this out, I'm going to go back here into Schoology, and now I'm going to show you what it looks like for the student. So if I click on Course Options, I can hit View Course As. I'm going to choose the same student, Maureen, and I'm going to now navigate to Launch Revision Assistant. As Maureen, and I can click on Open in a new window. And voila, Maureen is now in the Revision Assistant assignment working on the American Singing prompt. Now, there's something I didn't show you. One of the things I would probably do is rename the assignment in Schoology to reflect that it's American Singing. So I'm just going to copy the title right there and go back out. And I'm going to return back as the teacher. And I'm going to come back in here and rename this assignment. I'm going to call it Revision Assistant, American Singing. Oops. I need to do that. Save changes. And there you go. I've now named it something a little bit more meaningful to my students. So that's it. That's all you have to do to set up Revision Assistant. Thank you.